Liz Maths tutorial. Today we are going to learn the continuation of the previous video, fractions. So what is the definition of fraction and what are the types of fraction you have seen in my last video. So those who have not seen that, watch it and come back to this video. So let us start today's class. How to convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction and how to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. Both we are going to learn how to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. So how we can convert? So let me take one example of improper fraction, that is 7 by 2. Is that improper fraction? What is the improper fraction definition says? The numerator is greater than the denominator. Denominator is small number and the numerator is greater number. So here I have taken an example. This is an improper fraction. So how we can convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction? So here you know how to divide this. So 2 divides 7. See in the table of 2, 2 3s are 6. Near to the 7 number, we have to take 2 3s are 6. And what is the remainder? Is 1. Hope you understood. This is a division. 2 3s are 6 and 1 is a remainder here. So this is a remainder. R represents remainder and this is the quotient and this is the divisor, isn't it? So here we are dividing 2. We got the answer quotient, 3s are 6 and what is remaining is the remainder here. So how to write this improper fraction to mixed fraction? See, here you have to think about one rule, that is a trick I am telling you. See, always we know that the divisor we cannot change. Divisor is always divisor, isn't it? Which one is dividing, that always you have to write it in the denominator. And what is the remainder? See, think how to keep in your mind. The remainder you have to write in the numerator. See, you all know that your head always reminds something, isn't it? Remainder, where you have to remind? In the top. Where is your head? In the top, isn't it? So where you have to write the remainder is always in the top. So keep that in your mind. Remainder reminds your head, isn't it? Your head reminds everything. So you have to keep your head up. So always you write the remainder in the top. Hope you understood. So next is coming the quotient. Quotient you have to write it in the side. So which is the quotient? 3. So 3 is the quotient. So how you have to write? The quotient is in the side and the divisor and the remainder is up. So you have to keep this in your mind. See, it's very easy. There is divisor is always in the place of divisor. You cannot change that. And keep the word remainder where you have to keep in the up, that is in the numerator. And obviously what is remaining, the quotient, you have to write it in the side. So if you use this techniques to use remembering something is very difficult, isn't it? So you have to remember this thing, so that it will help you to write in a proper manner. So sometimes the students get confused where I have to write the quotient and where I have to write the remainder. Some may not knowing it or get the confusion, they will write the remainder here, some will write the quotient here, or you will make a disorder with this. So you will find difficult to remember such things. So how to remember? I have told you. Like remainder is always in your head, isn't it? How to remind something, that you have to write it up, and remaining the quotient as you have to write in the side. Divisor is always in the place. See, here 2 is dividing, that only you are writing in the divisor. You are not going to change that. Hope you understood with this. So I will take one more example. So this is how it looks like. 3 1 by 2. It is in the form of mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? A natural number with a proper fraction. This is a proper fraction, isn't it? 1 by 2. Numerator should be small and denominator is greater. So this is a natural number with what? A proper fraction is a called a mixed fraction. So you got a mixed fraction here. So let me take one more example. 14 divided by 3. See here, 14 divides 3. Here 3 is the smaller number in the denominator and 14 is in the numerator, that is greater number. So improper fraction is an example for improper fraction. So how to convert? You have to go for dividing this using division. So 3 and 14 you have to write. See in table 3 near to 14 where it comes. You know that 3 4s are 12. Isn't it? Is there any other number? No. If next coming 3 5s are 15. It is greater than 14. So you cannot write it. So 3 4s are 12 here. So what is the remainder? That gives 4 minus 2. That is gives 2 is the answer. 1 1 goes 0. Then you get remainder as 2 here. So this is a remainder and this is a quotient and this is a divisor. So which is the formula we have learned? You know that always 3. Divisor is in the down. Divisor, that is 3. Then what is? See how to write? Which is the formula I have told you. That is nothing but divisor is down and remainder you have to keep it in up. And what is the remaining? Quotient you have to write it here. So how to write the divisor? The same one. You have to write it here. And what is the remainder you got? Remainder you got as 2. And what is the quotient is 4. So this is mixed fraction, isn't it? A natural number with a proper fraction. Is this in the proper fraction? Yes. So natural number with the proper fraction. This is a mixed fraction. So I hope you understood with how to convert the improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Got it? Okay. Convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. See here, why we have to convert? Say while you occur with some problem or some situation, when you want to convert it into the hours. So you have to say the exact timing or exact weight or something. So you can't say like this 9 by 2, isn't it? So you go for converting it into the mixed fraction. Then you can say that 2 how much are? 2 4s are 8. So 2 4s are 8. The remainder is 1 here, isn't it? Got it? Say how to convert? 2 9s are 2, 4s are 8. And 1 is a remainder. So 4 1 1. So 4.5 hours we can say. So here we cannot speak in a hours. So how to why we have to convert into the mixed fraction is sometimes we have to say to represent some numbers or some weights or anything we have to represent it. So we have to say that there is 4.5, isn't it? So for that reason we have to convert. You have to get the idea of this conversion. Hope you understood. See now we are here with how to convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now just we have learned with how to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. Now in the reverse way. So how to convert? So you take one example of take one example of mixed fraction. It should be, what is the example of mixed fraction? A natural number with a proper fraction. Clear? So I have taken a natural number with a proper fraction. So how we are going to convert this? That is the thing. So here what you have to do is the denominator. What is the denominator here? The divisor. That you have to multiply to the quotient. You have to divide it into the quotient plus you have to do the remainder. The divisor to quotient you have to multiply. Got it? First you have to do the multiplication. According to the board mass, you know that first you have to do the multiplication, then only there is the addition coming. So here first you have to keep in your mind, you have to multiply these two, then what the answer you are getting, that you have to add to the remainder. So how it will go? 2 3s are 6 plus 1, that gives what? 7. And what is the denominator? Denominator is nothing but the divisor only you have to write. There is no change at all. So what is the divisor? That only you have to write. Here, how to find out the numerator, that way we have to write this. Got it? How to find out the numerator. Here, how to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction is the way we have to change with the numerator only. So how to find out the numerator? You have to multiply with the divisor with the quotient, then you have to add to the remainder. Then you are getting here as the answer is 7 by 2. Let me take one more example. I hope you understood with this. Very easy. Take 7 1 by 3. This is a natural number with the proper fraction. So how to convert this? You have to multiply with these two. Denominator you have to write it as it is first. Then how you have to write? You have to multiply 3 into 7, that is 3 into 7 plus 1 you have to write. These two you have to multiply and the answer you have to add to this. So what you will get here? 7 3s are 21 plus 1. So what is you are getting? 22 by 3. Is this correct? How to check? Check with this. Go for converting into the mixed fraction. The answer what you got here is in the form of improper fraction, isn't it? Because the denominator is small, numerator is greater. Improper fraction. So how to convert it? We have learned already how to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now take this as an improper fraction, convert it into mixed fraction. How will convert? You know that 3 7s are 21. What is the remainder? 1. Isn't it? So how to write this? The divisor is what? 3 only. Improper fraction to mixed fraction and mixed fraction to improper fraction. See, I hope you understood with this concept. This is very important. Sometimes you have to convert some fraction into a mixed fraction to improper fraction. Why? To add or calculate. Why we have to study these all? See here. See, if you have this number and you have to add this number to another number. See, sometimes you get here 1 by 3. You have to add these two. If it is in this case, you cannot add these two numbers, isn't it? See here, one number it is in the form of mixed fraction and here it is in the form of proper fraction. You cannot add these two. So what you have to do? You have to go for making this as in the form of improper fraction. So 3 7 21, 22 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Got it? Now here how to go for the addition I'll explain in the next video. This is, you know that here you got a fraction with the same denominator. If the same denominator are there, then what type of fraction it is? That is called a like fraction. So you can add this fraction without any difficulty. Got it? So I'll keep the addition and subtraction in my next video. So I hope you understood how to convert the mixed fraction into improper and improper into mixed fraction. So you have to learn this. I hope you have understood today's talk clearly. So we can move on to the next topic in my next video. That is, I'm going to explain what is the addition and the subtraction. Addition of like fraction and addition of unlike fraction. Also we have to see the subtraction of like and unlike fraction. That I'll take up in detail in my next video. So I hope you all are watching my videos and you are supporting me. So your support encourages me to do more videos. And those who have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it. That gives you a notification regarding my new upload videos. Hope you are doing fine. Have a nice day.